Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm doing something that's been highly requested, which is a brow tutorial, at least my updated brow tutorial, because I think I have some older ones and I do not do my eyebrows like that anymore. Your girl has had some growth. So yeah, this video, again, it's like super simple, pretty easy. But you guys are always asking me, how do I do my brows? How do I make it look so easy? Honestly, I don't really think there's an answer to making it look easy. I've just been doing it for so long. I have a lot of practice doing this. But I want to keep it really simple because I haven't been on here in a while. And I know you guys just want to jump straight into a tutorial. So we're going to do that. And let's get started, guys. To conceal my brow bone, I'm going to go in with the BECCA Ultimate Coverage Longwear Concealer, and I'm going to take a flat tip brush. It's more, I would say, squared-like versus angled, and that is what I'm going to use to apply the concealer right along the brow bone. Once I'm done concealing my brows, I'm just going to bring the concealer down towards my crease, and then once I'm done doing that, I am going to grab a blending brush and I'm going to blend all of that out to make sure that you don't really notice the concealer too much. You definitely want to blend out a lot, because if not, when you take a picture, you'll get that halo effect kind of around your brows, and you do not want that. And when you are using a concealer, you want to go the most 2 shades lighter than your skin complexion, but that's it. No lighter than that. Now to color in my brows, I'm going to go in with the REINA Rebelde Rebel Eye Paint for brows and eyes. I have used this before many times on my brows, on my eyes, and as an eyeliner. And the color that I'm going in with is Frida. So I love products that I can get multi-uses out of it, because you get a lot of bang for your buck. Then I'm going to take the number 12 brush by Anastasia, and that's what I'm going to use to apply this brow paint. It's very smooth and creamy, which I love. I've never had problems with this product drying up on me. To start coloring in my brows, I am just going to color in the very bottom of my brow. I'm just basically creating like a straight line, and then I'm going to buff that product upwards. When using brow gels, you always want to be as light-handed as you can be, because it's just easier adding more product as you need it versus putting too much and then trying to buff it out. Once I'm done coloring my brows, I'm just going to use the spoolie on the other side just to make sure that the color is evenly placed on my brows. This is what my brows look like, basically like a before and after, a colored brow versus a non-colored in natural brow. Now I'm just going to repeat the same exact steps but on the opposite brow. one thing you will learn about eyebrows is that they are never gonna be identical, like no matter how hard you try. Trust me, I've been there and done that. Spent a lot of time on my eyebrows and they don't really match up. But as long as they look like they're related, not like distant cousins, more like sisters, or I mean, at the least an aunt and niece, something, you know, something a little close. But they gotta look a little bit symmetrical, but again, they're not gonna look identical. So don't even bother trying to waste your time, because just naturally, people don't have identical eyebrows. Like one always looks a little bit more different than the other. I have a brow that is more arched than the other. So like this one's more arched, this one's a little bit more round. But when I rock makeup, you honestly can't even really tell. But yeah, so then now that I'm done applying the product, I'm going to apply some brow gel just to make sure that the hairs stay intact throughout the whole day. If I get hit with wind, humidity, swinging my head, because obviously I like to talk a lot like this, the brow hairs move. So to avoid that, we're just gonna apply some brow gel. So to make sure these hairs stay intact all day, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. And the final step, I'm just adding a very soft brown eyeshadow on my crease just to add a little bit more definition between the brow bone and my eyelids. Honestly, my brow routine seems pretty simple. I'm only using like 3 products. So I'm using the concealer, which I use to clean up my brow. Then I'm using the brow paint, which I use to color in my brow. And then I'm using the brow gel, which is totally optional. You don't have to use brow gel. I just do it if I know I'm gonna be wearing makeup almost all day. If I'm going to like the supermarket or to get Liana from school, then I'm probably not gonna wear it because I know that I'm not gonna wear it for that long. But if I need the makeup to last me the entire day, then yes, I will wear brow gel. And I'm always getting questions from you guys about who does my eyebrows, where do I get them done? If you guys have been following me long enough, then you know that I am based in Central Florida. So I go to this brow place. It's called Glam Eyebrow Threading. And the lady that I go to, her name is REHANA. Yes, REHANA. But she's older than Rihanna, so she's the original. But yeah, she does my eyebrows. I've been going to her for years. So a lot of you that have been following me long enough have seen the many ups and downs of my eyebrows. But within the past few years, they've been the best they've looked because I started going to her when I took matters into my own hands and I was doing my own eyebrows. Yeah, that's a moment I'd like to forget forever. But she hooks it up, let me tell you. And when I honestly, I prefer threading over waxing my brows. I feel like threading my brows lasts me way longer than waxing. When I wax, the hair grows back super quick. When I thread, I can go about 3 weeks to a month without doing my brows. I just got them done, I would say, when did I get them done? I got my brows done like a week ago, and look how clean they still look. And if I waxed it, for sure, a week later, I would have like some new growth. But yeah, I'm gonna put all that information in the description that if you are based here in Central Florida and you wanna check her out, I definitely recommend that you go and check her out. You won't regret it. She's bomb.com. And if you don't believe me, just look at some old videos and look at how my brows used to look and then look at how they look now. And that right there will prove to you how much of a lifesaver she really is. But I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick and simple video. It's probably like the easiest tutorial I think I've ever filmed. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.